What's up, Triad people? It's your man Omar, and today I want to share with you the recipe for what? There's nothing for dinner? Come on! Now that's better! Some crispy seafood. Here we go! First thing, let's set the oven on static at about 400 degrees. Now we can prepare the breadcrumbs to cover our squid. I used about 100 grams of breadcrumbs, some curry powder and just a little bit of chili powder to get the crust more spicy.
Making my way down Ocean Drive, hungover people pass me by. I know they feel it, yeah, they feel the way that I do right now. Lost in Miami and we were too drunk, but it was only you and I, only you and I. And can we go back to the times we were reckless and free, just you and me?
To marinate our seafood, I like to use some lemon juice. Half of a lemon should be enough. Then a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of salt.
Take me back to then, under the palm tree. It was only you and me, getting drunk on Hennessy. Take me back to then, to those hot Miami nights.
Mix it all together and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. That's gonna help those little tentacles to absorb the marinade. Here's an optional step. If you like garlic flavor and taste, you can put some on top of your squid and on the breadcrumb mixture.
We were still drunk from the night before. We didn't care if there was snow tomorrow. But under the Florida sunset we danced and it was all.
Okay, 10 minutes are gone. Now pick up some squid and let them roll into the breadcrumbs. Make sure to get them well covered and place into your baking tray.
That was all that we had. Take me back to then, under the palm tree. It was only you and me, getting drunk on Hennessy. Take me back to then, to those hot Miami nights.
A little suggestion, make sure to leave some space between each seafood. Eventually you can bake them in 2 steps. Once everything is set and your oven got to the right temperature, you can put them in for about 10 to 12 minutes. On the last couple of minutes, you can set your oven on grill mode to let the crust get very crispy. And there you go, a very quick and healthy way to cook some crispy squid. Now you can use this recipe for any seafood honestly, and it is perfect as an appetizer or for an homemade party with friends. No need to say that your macros will stay clean, right? You can find both macros and ingredients in the description box. Now if you enjoyed watching this, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you very soon. See ya!